a month on average.
Yeah.
Your 200 and something game that you've been running that game for about 53 months. It's a long time, man.
Yeah, it's one of the first ones I did when I started the actual business.
Wow.
Nice.
Still going. That's cool.
There's only 2 of them still going, but both of them are pretty old. And one of them's completely changed parties.
Yeah.
Actually, the one I'm running later today is the other one that's really old.
Cool.
Thursday is my oldest game and my youngest game. Alright, so anyway. I was doing a bell. Should see if there's a higher detail version of this picture. But anyway, this is good for now. Alright, bell.
Yeah, maybe I should use AI, but I'm still just like stealing pictures that other people drew off the internet.
I mean, that's
Sorry,
pretty much what AI is doing anyway, so.
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
Not wrong.
So, you know. Alright, so bell, does that work for your token?
Perfect.
Okay. Just set up your stats. And do you see in the dark as a Goliath?
I do not.
Okay.
Just above everyone else.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you said you needed a cat?
Yeah, I have a lovely orange and white tabby, actually.
That's fun.
Familiar. Yeah, she's thought of after my actual cat.
Fun.
Alright, so I will add a cat. I'm going to put it under resources, summon in the journal.
Okay.
I'll give you control of it.
Control.
And there. So you should see it under resources summon. Right now it just has the stats of a normal cat. You should be able to edit that and, you know, rename it and give it stats for whatever your familiar would have. You can also change the picture if you want. But for now, you have the stats for a cat. And if you want to summon it, yeah, you just kind of pull it from the journal onto the board. Which I think you just did, right?
Well, you put it there.
Did I do that? All right.
But I mean, I would normally have her out with me anyway. So.
All right. Generally, you can just say she's in the background. You don't have to be dragging her token around. But for things like combat, yeah, you'd have to have her out with you because she'd be in danger.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else before we jump back in? All right.
I'm good to go.
You're good to
And
go.
just to clarify, they act on my initiative, right?
I think.
Or is it right after me?
I thought the familiars do roll their own initiative.
Okay, we'll play it that way.
You can check the description of the spell, but I thought they were one of the only summons that act on their own turn. And if you want to roll her initiative, you just click on her token. Then in the sheet, you click that roll or the button that says init while you have her token highlighted.
Yeah, let me. I want to look at the clarification on that really quick. Not that I don't trust you, it's just for my own purposes.
I wouldn't trust me.
I've been warned, okay?
DM's always out to get you.
Always.
Alright, so when last we left our intrepid adventurers, we had gone into a pipe.
Pipe, you say?
A pipe.
Oh my.
Is
Oh
it-
my.
Good lord. Did you say you needed to ask me something for your edification?
No.
Okay, never mind then.
Octopus?
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
That's funny.
Oh, is it
Also,
familiar?
Yeah, they're like, bat, cat, frog, hawk, lizard, octopus.
I mean, if you're
Sure.
underwater, it makes sense.
Yeah, no joke. Not so much a land animal, though. That's
Alright,
funny.
hang on, something's not working. I need to check something.
Yeah, it rolls its own initiative and acts on its own turn. Yep.
One of the
And
few
then,
summons that actually does that.
Mhm.
The other thing that might be of interest is since we're using Mage Hand and it's carrying the light, that might be something to think about too if we come into a map
Right.
situation.
Which we will be in a moment.
Figure you could probably, to make it easy, just say like, and this stays right next to this guy, or stands, stays right next to me, unless I move it otherwise,
Oh, it's staying far away from me.
Clever.
Whoever wants the light next to him can have
They
it.
have it. Oh man.
They can have it.
I may not be able to see in the dark, but
As long as you can see what's over there, right?
Mhm.
I have one spell for damage, and I don't technically need to see the target as well.
Oh man.
Alright, there we
Actually, if
go.
you wanna either put the light on me or Shock, I think that would make sense.
Yeah, for now I just have I kind of have it moving with Shock because Shock kind of knows where he's going. But
Yeah, no, that's clever. Yeah,
if we get into a combat, I'll just move it over to you.
perfect.
Alright, so you're following these halls. Shock seems to know where he's going. And you come. Well, you go down the pipes a bit, which leads into some old tunnels. I'll say that the architecture of these tunnels looks very strange to you three. History might tell you more here. DC 15.
I'm all
I
good
would
with
not
history.
bother.
Flicks like,
Shoot for
ah.
a job.
Alright,
I'm
so yeah.
not sure, but I can try.
There's
Yep, nope.
there's definitely something strange about this architecture. It looks very different from what you're used to. As you come into a new area. Now you said you have a mage hand holding the torch.
Correct.
Is that concentration?
I don't believe so.
Could you link the spell really quick?
Sure thing.
Here's a question. Belle, can you see the layout of the dungeon?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if that was going to be the case or not, but yeah, but we still see everything.
Oh really? Hang on a sec.
I guess that we revealed last time.
It says casting time and action. I don't see duration 1 minute, but I don't see anything about concentration.
Did that fix it?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Cool.
All right, so if you, yeah, I see, mage hand. Yeah, so I think it just lasts a minute, but I mean, I assume you can just keep casting it.
Yeah. As a cantrip, yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you have the torch, so if you go, and I can just pull one out for you right now. But usually if you go into resources, lighting, There is
Resources,
in the journal.
like on my character sheet. Oh, on the journal.
Yeah, and the one of the tabs is the journal, which has all.
Yeah, I
complete
see
information.
torch.
So I can pull one out, and that should light up the area.
Yes, I see now.
And I think if you highlight it, you can actually move it. I think you do have the ability to control
Yeah,
it.
we'll just count that as my mage hand then for now.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. And Shock is with you too. So he'd say, careful. We're getting close to the area now. And I'll bring him out. Just give me a moment.
May have not recognized anything about the architecture, but is there any blood hand related iconography on the walls? Maybe some graffiti or something?
There's you haven't seen any markings yet. It just seems like a really old tunnel, and I'll say with your passive perception flick, you think that no one's been through this tunnel in a while, at least this particular one. It seems like it's kind of abandoned.
I would turn to Shock and say,
you would also notice something strange up ahead. The floor over here has a bunch of little holes in it. As the torchlight
where? Sorry, what are you ping?
As the torchlight hits the area, you see what looks like a bunch of little holes in the floor over here.
I'll walk up to the edge of where I see the holes and kind of like get on all fours and just like.
So as the torch flies over there, suddenly a bunch of spikes would shoot out of the walls, ceiling, and floor.
Sorry, I didn't mean to take that moment from you.
And the
oh no, you're good.
Unfortunately, that would destroy the torch. It just kind of like is
Okay.
as it's hit by the spikes, it kind of like shatters to pieces. Shocks.
Is the hand still available?
Yes, the hand was unaffected. It was just the torch it was holding was destroyed.
Was got.
Shock says.
So as it flies over and all of a sudden they all just go off, I just turn to you a little angrily, I would guess, just because it shocked me as well that everything just popped off. But at least we know there's traps now.
Shock says, "Why are there traps in the
right
sewer?" And he walks over, and he's going to pull out another torch. He says, "Don't worry, I have a few." And he kind of places it down for your hand to grab again.
Cool.
He walks over. He says, "This isn't mechanical." Kind of examining the floor. He says, "Hey, wait!" And he kind of points to like a little glowing rune on the wall. He says, "Anyone know anything about that?"
I'll step aside for a wizard.
Yeah, I'll see if I can remember anything back to my days at the Phoenix Guild.
So this is an Arcana check, DC 15. It's a little bit tough.
All right, what was it that Edric was saying about these runes?
So you remember in your history class that the previous cycle, the 12th cycle, the dwarves of the Therian Empire had powerful wizards known as rune masters. This looks like something that they may have created, which would make sense to you because also this trap looks like it's kind of magically preserved. Now, why the Therians have traps in this old tunnel, you're not sure. But yeah, that would make this place very old.
So yeah, I'll turn and say, kind of brushing my hands calmly, not touching the runes or anything, but like nearby.
Yeah, you
Say,
think you would guess
This is
that,
old
or go ahead. Sorry.
dwarvish, maybe. Dwarvish, maybe. Be careful.
You're guessing that the rune itself is what triggered the trap. It may have sensed the movement, and that's why it went off.
We should keep our eyes out for more of this.
Shock nods. He says, "All right,
Yeah.
well, the trap is still off, so just move carefully between the spikes." So it would
I'll
just
move the
be
mage hand forward just so we can see where we're going.
dodge
Okay.
my way through this.
And as you get up ahead, you start to see light coming from the hallways up ahead of you.
Oh,
Is it just sitting there, or is it moving?
Looks like it's moving.
Okay.
There might be someone up there.
Like,
does anyone want to go? Anyone want to go take a look? Or
I think we should
Well, I
go
would
with
say I would turn to Shock and say like, would your friend have come this way? Because it looks like no one's been down this particular path for a while.
Says, well, if there's no tracks, it means he didn't make it this far, and it looks like there are a couple of sources up there. So I'm guessing that's not him. We should be cautious. I'm guessing it's Bloodhand. I'm not sure who else would be down here.
can I try and stealth up to the wall there, up to this area up here?
Sure. So Shock kind of, I guess you'll tell him to hang back, and he'll say, all right, just be careful. So you can
Yeah.
make a stealth check if you're going to try to move up there.
All right,
we
not
snuff
terrible.
if we're trying to sneak.
So the rest of you are staying back.
I would.
If anyone else moves up, they'd have to make a stealth check as well.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna move up. Like, how could I not?
All right, so the two of you are trying to be stealthy. Go ahead and oh yeah, Flick's just like Batman over there. So you move up, and as you get closer, you think you see someone to the south, and they might be talking because now you hear like kind of low voices coming from that direction.
We hear anything they're saying, or do we need to get closer?
Give me an active perception. You're trying to make out what they're saying.
Not the greatest at this, but I'll give it a whirl. Ooh,
So yeah, it's just they're talking low. It's very hard to hear what they're saying. But they seem like they're looking around. Like as you peek around the corner, they're kind of keeping an eye on the tunnels around here, as if they're looking for someone or something. And you hear something similar coming from the north, but you don't see anyone up there yet.
are these people? Do they seem to be moving towards us?
Not currently. They're just kind of standing there as if maybe waiting for someone.
Okay. I'd like to maybe use my first spell here. That's all right.
All right. What would you do? And remember, magic does make noise if it has verbal components. Unless you have like, what is it? One of those meta magic things that silences it.
Well, eventually, as an illusionist, my illusion spells won't have that, but I don't have that feature yet.
Mhm.
So they might hear you if you cast something.
I will just kind of look back kind of towards everyone and, basically, I guess just above table, is everybody where they want to be?
If you're gonna start a fight, I think
I'm not starting a fight,
Okay.
but this could. It could.
It could. Okay. Well, I can run my way in if I have to. But,
So as you look to Shock, maybe he'll insight you and give you a thumbs up as he kind of pulls out his bow, just in case.
Yeah,
Maybe
okay.
some javelins.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and cast Silent Image,
Okay.
and I'm just going to seal up this area and make it look like it's just a wall that continues.
Ooh.
So that is a 15-foot cube. So if you go into the spells in the journal under resources, I believe spell effects, there's a 15-foot cube you can pull out. That kind of represents the area of your magic.
15-foot cube. Okay. I clicked on 15-foot cube, and then...
You just pull it onto the board where you want it.
Oh, you just pull it on the board. Okay.
Yeah. You drag it out. It should. Okay, so
You
basically,
get the idea. It's a wall.
Yeah.
Alright,
Trying to
so
make it a wall.
are you putting it like up here, or
No, like to kind of make it seem like this tunnel only continues in one direction, like from
so
north
like
to
to
south.
block where you guys are?
Yeah,
Like this is a
Give
wall,
us some-
not an opening. Yeah.
give us some concealment.
All right, so the area suddenly, like these look of bricks just fade in here. Give me a stealth check to see how quietly you cast that. It'd be disadvantaged because it's magic. Magic's hard to hide.
Disadvantage. Oh. Need big money here, guys. Big money, no whammies.
there
Oh,
you go.
hell yeah.
Let's
All
go.
So yeah, the wall appears. No one from either direction seems to notice it, and yeah, there's now like an illusory wall basically covering you here.
And I'll reach out towards Flick, and I'll say, "Don't worry, it's not real. But if you want to, abuse it to kind of work around these guys, it might be to our advantage."
So Shock.
I'll nod.
Shock kind of looks to you and makes a motion like, should I move up or should I stand?
Yeah, you guys can move up.
Is it soundproof?
No, it's not. But I imagine we're probably whispering and
Yeah.
All right, so Shock
busy
is
talking.
going to attempt a stealth check, even though he's in heavy armor.
Yeah.
As expected, he does not do too well. It's kind of like a
Mhm.
clank,
But if
clank.
he's going, I'm gonna have to come as well. Here, let me roll a stealth.
And I'll say to the south, you see one of them like,
Oh shoot!
did you hear that? Another guy's like, what? And you see
Maybe
them
get a-
start walking up this way. He
Shush
stops
to
here as if he's like
like, stay here.
confused. He says, wasn't there a tunnel here? Guy says, I don't know. Comes and looks at the wall closer. It's like, I could have sworn there was a tunnel here. The guy says, I don't know, it doesn't look like there was. And he just kind of shrugs and moves back over here, failing his investigation, just like looking around. From the north,
I will say this.
two
not
more
to,
guys. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm just my roll 20 just errored out on me. So
Oh,
whenever
yeah.
I try to load it, it just says there was trouble loading this page, and so I am not there.
Oh,
For
weird.
now.
Yeah, whenever I
maybe-
come to you, it goes to RollNet editor, and it just says,
Well, I turned off the lightning effect. See if you can connect now. But two more guys come down from the north. He says, I thought I heard something. He's like, yeah, I don't know. Doesn't seem like it. And again, they're like right next to you. And they just kind of look around and say, well, it doesn't seem like Reese is here. I don't think he slipped past us, so we should just keep watching the area. And he nods.
anything like keys or anything useful that I might be able to reach out and grab while their backs are turned or something.
So they have their armaments. Give me a perception. Also, this spell is concentration, right?
Correct.
So usually, and there is a button you can make for this. There's something called Combat Manager, but let me see what the command is. I think it's !combat, and you can set that as a macro. Do you know how to make macros at all?
No, like I haven't used 20 in a long time.
Yeah, that's fine. If you do !combat, it should bring up like a little combat menu, and one of the buttons is to mark yourself as concentrating. It's the if you mouse over the different buttons, it'll kind of tell you what each of them does. But at the top, there's like a guy holding his head with like, yeah. So that just marks that you're concentrating on a spell.
you might know what this means, but it says error code status stack buffer overrun.
I have No
and
idea
it says,
what that means.
Yeah, darn.
okay, so I'm just not there.
Do you, well, if it's being a huge pain, you could try a different web browser. I don't know what you're using.
I'm using Chrome. Like I was literally like, in the game the entire time, and all of a sudden it just said error, and then it's been like that ever since.
Do you know when it said error, like what you were doing?
No, I was just sitting here.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah, if the refresh isn't working, the only other thing I could think of is maybe like trying Firefox or
Okay.
Edge. That sometimes it's a browser issue, but I have no idea why it would just shut down like that. Yeah, go ahead and give me a perception check, Ty. We'll let you work on that a little. Flynn. Flick? Yeah, Flick.
Flint, right?
Flint. I don't know what I'm doing.
Not Flick.
All right, so you do notice that this guy does have some keys on a ring on his belt. One of the
Which one?
guys.
The one nearest?
Yeah, the one near the wall.
Okay. I'll wait for any sort of opening and try and nick the keys off of his belt.
All right, I'll give Mike a moment to see if we can get him back in here.
You've given up on my name. Now I'm just back to Mike.
I was just gonna call you Mike before I'm just gonna forget again and get yelled at.
It's either
Yeah,
that
what's
or
interesting
cat.
is that it goes to roll 20, it loads everything, but when it gets to the map, like when the map itself starts loading, like the sidebar loads, all your icons load, but once the map loads, then it just immediately errors out.
That's weird.
How weird.
And it was working before, like when you first got
Yeah.
here, right?
Yeah, when I got like basically as after he cast the wall thing, that's when it happened.
His illusion broke your.
Yeah, no
Broke.
joke.
Broke my PC apparently.
We can remove it and just know where it's at.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it'd just be so weird if that's what triggered it, because like I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't know why that would. I mean, it was animated. I turned the animation off, but we could try it. All right, let me try removing it. Although that would be annoying because like then whenever we did a spell effect, you'd be kicked out.
Yeah.
All right, I went ahead and removed it. If you want to try to load in again.
There.
Let's do a little blue line. I guess that's
There
fine.
you go.
Obey me, computer.
Technical difficulties.
Totally did not cast mage armor, by the way.
Yeah, I am now in. As soon as that went away.
That is so
All right,
weird.
Let me just test something. I know you're gonna hate me.
No, it's fine.
And see if it kicks you again.
I mean, I'm all about the scientific method, right? Yep.
Is-
As soon as you did whatever you did, it kicked me.
Oh my
That's
god!
not.
Why is
Why
it?
is that?
Yeah, status
And
stack
just
buffer
for him.
overrun.
That's so weird. All right, so yeah, for some reason the spell effects are making you. We could try with a different browser, but for now, yeah, we'll just use
Yeah.
the line. All right, so you said you're gonna try to sneak up and grab the key while he's talking.
Yeah,
to his
while
buddy?
if there's any sort of opening to do so, I don't want to do it like right in the light. But if they're all got their backs turned, like
So it's a
That's
little
what-
risky because it will require a stealth and then a sleight of hand check, and you have limited time to attempt it before they walk away.
okay,
So do you want to risk it or?
We support you.
yeah,
Shock is like not moving anymore. He's like, God damn it.
Yeah.
So
Even
stealth
with my,
first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Unfortunately, you used your human reroll already.
yeah.
Oh, all right.
Natural 20.
Let's
go. You are You are ninja as you walk over. Now you just need to sleight of hand.
Any bonuses for the nat 20?
Wink, maybe.
I'll give you +2. I'll give you a circumstance
Yay.
bonus. I'm not gonna give you
Nice.
advantage for it, but
Oh, that's fair. Big money. All right, 16. Not terrible.
all right, hang on. Let me see. No, they are not super observant, so you manage to like unhook the keys and just pull them into the wall before anyone notices.
Sick.
I pass them back towards Belle so she can hand them off to Shock, and
Yep.
maybe you guys could figure out where they go to. And I'll just continue to watch through the wall.
That we
So
shall.
as you are doing this, a voice from the south says, "What's going on here?" And a woman walks out of the darkness. They all get very worried suddenly, and she says, "Why aren't you watching the halls?" He said, "I thought we heard something over here." She's like, "What is it?" She says, "Wait, wasn't there a hall here?" And the other guy's like, "That's what I said." She's gonna walk over. I'm like,
Oh, no.
"This is the way into the other area of the sewer. I could have sworn we scouted this." But luckily she fails her check, and she says, "Oh, maybe it was
Oh my
somewhere
God.
else." All right, well, get back
Jeez,
to... She says, "Get back to your posts. If Reese slips past us, it's going to be our ass." That's the bandit captain.
Oh, fun.
Wow.
It's giving
So proud of
the
you, man.
it's giving the lady from Holes.
From
Oh,
what?
yes!
I don't even know what that means.
I see that. There's
You know the movie Holes?
I don't think I've seen that.
Oh, it's so
It's
good.
Shia LaBeouf. Who else was in there? Yeah.
Oh, and there's the other bandit in the background. But, all right, so they quickly go back to their posts, luckily not realizing the illusion. And she is going to head back south. What does the group want to do? You have a set of keys and you have not been seen yet. Shock is standing still.
I just turn to him and say, any idea what these keys might go to?
He says, "No. Good steal, though." He keeps his voice low and he says, "Unfortunately, I don't know how we're going to get past them without being noticed."
Thanks, I've never done this before.
They're looking for Reese. And if they find him before we do, I bet he's gonna have a bad time.
Shock nods, keeping his voice low. He says he must have hidden somewhere. Or maybe, maybe he's in these tunnels.
Do you know if these tunnels lead anywhere, or where Reese might be prioritizing his ability to hide?
He says Reese knew this place. I've never been here before. He just told me he could use it to get to the caravan. Said there were some kind of ruins under the city. Again, he's trying to keep his voice down. He says, "I don't know how we can get past these guys without them noticing us, because obviously we're going to have to look around."
Well, maybe we can get the jump on them, but it's better when they're not faced. If we can isolate them.
Ambush
Don't
a
have to
group
take
one at
them
a
all.
time.
Yeah.
He says, "I hate to just kill them, especially if we're going to jump out of a fake wall and do it. Not very
Sure.
sporting."
I don't know
They're
about
bandits. Who
murder.
cares about sports?
Yeah.
I'll
What
say
did you
very
say? They're
candidly.
bandits?
Yeah, it's like they're criminals. What do you like?
Yeah, the blood hand.
Yeah, who cares about a fair fight? You think
I-
they would?
I'm a wizard, not a murderer.
Damn it, Jim.
Damn it, Jim, I'm a wizard, not a killer. So, Shock,
Bandits. They're the bad guys.
I'll go non-lethal if we have to. So.
Shock nods. He
make it-
says, that might be an answer. Okay, so we got 2 up north, 2 to the south. I mean, as soon as we go out there, they're all going to come at us, so...
Maybe go for the 2 that we know. We know there's 2 to them. Well, I guess we don't really know where they all are, but we know there's 2 up there. So maybe go for them first, overwhelm them, and then get ready for the guys behind us.
Yeah, we just got to move quick. We got to be fast.
All right. Well, I don't know if anything changed on your end, Mr.
Did you get dumped
Mr.
again?
Lou, but yep, it's doing the error again.
What? I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
They
just this
always
map.
say they didn't do anything.
Um,
We played this map before. Like
I
that's the
know.
thing. That's what I don't quite understand. Now it says status breakpoint instead of what it was saying before. So still no idea what that means.
Wonder if that has to do with the status I put on myself.
Oh, I don't think
Oh, I
that
hope
should
not.
matter. There's a bunch
You
of
would hope it
tokens
wouldn't.
with vision that shouldn't have them. Let me try to change that. Oh no.
I don't feel so good, Mr. Stock.
Did I just break everything? No, okay, good.
So I searched it and it's saying the status breakpoint error in Roll20 is a Chromium-based error or Chromium-based browser crash. Chrome, it happens with Chrome and Edge. It's usually caused by render issues, often triggered by heavy JavaScript usage, outdated browser versions, or memory issues.
So it's Michael's fault.
Obviously, Michael.
Apparently.
Troubleshooting steps: turn off all browser extensions, particularly ad blockers like uBlock Origin, which can conflict with recent updates.
It's the ad blocker.
It's the ad blocker.
Yep. That's
Yep.
the new thing.
Okay. Yep.
Science.
That makes so much sense because I have this ad blocker for YouTube because it was getting obnoxious.
I understand. And then they threaten you once they find out you're using it.
Yeah.
We want our money. How dare you?
Permissions.
Alright, yeah, try turning that off and see. I'm gonna do some stuff and see if it helps. So just, for some reason, a bunch of tokens have vision, but should not.
Mm,
I like the music though.
right?
Smooth. Yeah, this is all free music, so YouTube doesn't get mad at me.
It
Good.
gets down with the pan flute.
Oh yeah, Kevin Macleod. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he has a ton of music on the Roll20
He's the
thing.
guy. Yeah.
If you want free music, he's the guy.
Hit up Kevin, yeah.
Alright, are you able to reconnect? Are you still working on it?
Did we lose him entirely?
Uh-oh.
I was learning real quick how to
Disable.
customize it, how to give permissions to site by site.
Oh,
So that's what I did real quick.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, whoops. Now I'm a goof.
Science. Oh, what happened?
I literally just hit end
Did you-
game because I didn't know what I was doing.
Did you both disconnect now? What did you do, Mike?
Mine was just for being silly. Now I'm back. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Right. What the heck?
Well, I saw a flick appear for a moment.
I did.
Did it kick you out again?
It did.
No.
This can read and transmit data. Where was it next?
Yeah. He's
Yep.
phasing
All right.
in. The other things are disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. Go to Chrome settings, system, toggle use graphic acceleration when available to off.
Yeah, usually you like it's good to have that on, but if that's what's causing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just removing it, and I can just remove from Chrome. Yes. Get out of here.
Get that out later.
I'll bring you back later.
Okay.
Ad blocker.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. So, murder kill. Is that what that's the consensus?
I was thinking incapacitate, and if you need to murder somebody,
Right.
Okay.
Shock says, yeah, do your best. Oh, damn it. Again, it's kicking you?
Yeah, even after I got rid of it, so that's not the issue.
That's not the
Right.
issue.
I was gonna say we
Um,
are just at 3 o'clock, so I'm not sure if we wanted to go long.
Yeah,
but-
we might want to just stop before and have the battle next time. Maybe, maybe it'll give you some time to see what's going on.
work through your stuff.
Yeah, I'll
Because you can still connect to the game. Now, I'm curious about something. I'm going to change to a different map and see if you can connect.
Yeah.
Because I want to see if it's just that map that's doing it, or if like your browser just took a crap or something. So try connecting now. Because that is an older map, and I know some of the older stuff in Roll20, like it doesn't update everything sometimes correctly. So there might be some weird like setting that doesn't work or doesn't play well with the newer stuff. Yeah, it looks like you're connected now.
connected now. I don't see anything. There's no map. I'm just at the continued.
Yeah, this is the to
You're
be
technically
continued
a map,
screen.
right? Yeah.
But it's not kicking you out, right?
Nothing's kicking me out. Nope.
Okay.
Alright, now let me go back to the map and break your stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it didn't kick you. Okay.
Oh no, it did kick me.
Oh,
Oh, yeah,
there
there
it
you
is.
go.
It's something with the map, and that makes sense because you've been connected the whole game till we got here.
Yeah, how odd.
So
How odd. But I will just do. Would you mind just leaving this
so you can
Okay,
experiment. All right,
this
as long
map
as
up?
as long as you don't cheat. No exploring
Yeah.
while we're not here.
I mean, already like I. Hey, we
hasn't he
saw
already
the
played
whole
this
map.
part?
Yeah,
mean-
exactly.
Probably saw half of the map.
He
We didn't
has, but
explore
I've
it.
also
Yeah.
changed. I change a bunch of stuff every time I do a new playthrough. So
Oh, that's clever.
there is there is new stuff in here that he hasn't
Very new
seen.
stuff.
So no exploring while
Scouts
we're
on it
gone.
are cheating. Yeah.
All right. So usually at the end of the game we do an MVP vote as well, where you vote for someone who's not you. Whisper me someone who's not you. And the one person who is MVP gets something called an inspiration point, which you can spend to gain a +2 roll or +2 bonus on any roll before you make the roll.
Okay.
And that's different from heroic inspiration.
Yes, because heroic lets you re-roll. This
Okay.
one, if you're trying to make a roll and you think you need some help, like you would say before you roll, like I want to use a inspiration point, and then you get +2 to the
Mhm.
roll. You can't use it after you make the roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
And can we stack them? Do they accumulate or
You can have up to 10.
have up to 10? Okay.
Yeah, it's like a custom resource I have.
All right. Lou, break my game. Go.
Break your game? What do you mean?
As in, do whatever you did before
give
that
him
might have
the-
broken my game.
Electric wall again.
Oh,
Yeah.
did you change something?
I did. I turned off the hard roll acceleration, and I'm
Alright.
currently looking at the map.
Yeah, you are in.
You are in. So yeah, let me see if I can break your game.
Thanks, guys. I noticed.
Spell effects. All right, where is the 15-foot cube? Wow.
Okay. As soon as
Bam.
that happened, it kicked me out. So
Wow.
okay. So
Still, okay.
I'm
You
just
were
gonna-
in though, so that's something.
I was in.
I'm still guessing. Okay, you know what? Let me try something. Let's go back to the other map. Sorry, Ty. I know, like we're troubleshooting.
No worries. I don't have anywhere to be. It's the end of the semester today.
All right,
Nice.
try connecting again, Flynn, because I want to narrow down. Is it the cube that's doing it, or just something with the map? So Flick, if you want to reconnect onto the safe map, I'm going to try pulling it out again and see if it kicks you. But I'm guessing it's just something with that map, because it is an old map.
Hmm.
And the only other thing I could think is just using Firefox, because I think it mentioned it was just Edge and Chrome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of the suggestions. I like this dungeon music. Man, these are decent.
Yeah, it's a nice little. I like using the music. I think it adds some personality.
Right?
All right, you ready, Flick?
Okay. Yes.
Bam.
Hit him with the thunder wall.
There's
All
your
right. Hit
Thunderwall.
Thunderwall. Nothing's happening so far.
Yeah.
Now turn the map on.
Oh, you're just. I mean, you know it's gonna happen.
Yeah,
No,
exactly.
don't. One can hope.
Okay. Let's see.
What's the definition of insanity again?
You just hear an explosion. My computer explodes. You put the map on.
My leg.
Yeah. Nice. Yes. As soon as the map turned on, it happened.
That's
Okay.
yeah.
So it is just the
So
map. Something with this map.
This map specifically, yeah.
And I would like to
fun.
do this dungeon with you. So yeah, I think
I would like to too, considering I already did it once before. So like,
rather than me
does
like
it-
trying to remake the dungeon from scratch, I think it would be easier if you just did you know, a different browser for a game.
Try Firefox.
Try doing Roll20 because Firefox works fine. I used to use it all the time, so it should be fine for you. And I'll leave this map just so you can verify that.
Mess around with it, yeah.
I think I only got one whisper. I still need that MVP vote.
Yep, the person who wasn't even is having the most trouble.
So
I
whisper
quickly typed it out.
is /W space GM space your message.
Yeah.
/whisper space GM and then
/
I think
or
it's
backward?
backslash.
Well, I think it's four. Is it?
Is it? I don't know actually. Which is it? You guys probably know better than me.
I think it's a forward.
It's forward.
It's
Forward slash GM
No, /
or
W
space GM.
space GM.
Yeah. Tomato. Hit me, Lou.
Hit you with what?
I'm in the game.
It's just gonna
I'm
break
looking at the
again.
map.
Oh, are you? What did you do?
Well, I'm going down all the
Change
solutions.
something.
Yeah, it's that
So-
one.
Yeah.
And then after that space, the message you want to send me, which
Yeah.
would be the name of who you think should get MVP. Let me finish this MVP, then
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll help you out. I mean, I
Have
know,
you-
Eeny, meeny, miny. Eeny, meeny, miny.
and it could be anyone you want. You don't have to justify it.
Yep.
All right, so tie with 2 votes. You are MVP.
Yay.
Yay.
Congrats. Did I not assign a scribe?
Nope.
No,
Oh,
not
God
yet.
damn it. All right. So, Flick, it would have been your turn. Do you feel like scribing?
Yeah.
I would love to.
All
Yeah.
right, you are the man.
Not a lot happened.
Played some cards. We did some
Played some
entertaining.
cards. Yep.
All right, so Flick
Did
is
some role play.
yeah,
Met a cat.
it's mostly just meeting people. All right, so Flick is scribe, MVP is tie. So yeah, you probably want to make just a resource somewhere on your character sheet for inspiration points.
Mhm.
And you said you wanted me to do something.
I want
One
you to
more
bring
thing
me.
to
All right, I'll bring back. What did you change? Why would it be different?
Everything.
Why will it change it? Why will it? not
Because I'm just
change-
going by all the different things it says to do.
Yep. It jumped
Ah,
again.
it kicked him.
Yep.
It doesn't do it on other maps, which is so weird. Like,
I
why is it
wonder
just
if
this
it's
one?
doing it because of there's another D&D group I've been playing while we've been on hiatus, and they actually use the Beyond 20 extension so that you roll on Beyond 20 and it goes onto roll. But
Yeah.
one thing that happened last session, that everything we rolled on Beyond 20, roll 20 would roll it again and it'd be a different outcome. So it'd be like, hey, you roll the 20 on Beyond, and then the extension would move it to roll 20 and it would just roll again and have a different outcome. So I'm wondering if the Beyond 20 extension is just fucked up in some way, and that may be messing with me. Because that was a
be.
problem all the last session, that every time we rolled, it would just change the outcome on roll 20.
Weird.
Yeah.
Or it wouldn't show the rolls at all.
All right. Well, like I said,
But yeah,
no, no exploring the dungeon while I'm gone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
Before
Are
we,
you
oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead. You're more important.
I was gonna say before we break, is there any other final questions or comments, or everyone having fun?
Heck yeah, I'm having fun.
No,
I will have fun when I
Ty
figure this out.
being new to all this, everything going as expected. You enjoying it?
Yeah, yeah, I'm very much having fun with this group.
All right,
Aw,
good.
thanks.
So,
And I plan on returning. So
all right. Well, let me know. Yeah, if anyone has any questions, I gotta get ready for my evening game. But
Mhm.
it was fun playing, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Or wait, sorry, did you have something else for me, Mike? Because I know you were asking me something. Did you run away?
Maybe not.
Why do you hate me, Mike? I see how it is.
Yeah, jeez Louise. What
Just
a
leave
jerk.
me hanging. No, I look like the idiot. All right. Well, I
wouldn't
guess.
worry. Yeah, he can message you if he needs to.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys next Thursday. Thanks for playing.
Talk to you
see
then.
ya.
Bye, guys.